there is a high chance that you're making this one big budgeting mistake that is slowly draining your progress. My name is Victor, I'm a chartered accountant and I help people manage their finances. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Here's the thing, the biggest budgeting mistake that most people make is budgeting for survival rather than progress. So this means that you're planning to cover expenses and not building in growth. This leads to you being stuck in maintaining your lifestyle rather than improving it. Now, let me explain the survival budget trap. Most people list their income and then subtract bills. That's it. But the problem is that kind of budget stops you from moving forward. This means no savings, no investments, and especially no debt payoff strategy. And if one emergency pops up, that's it, you're wiped out. You see, this is not budget, it is expense tracking. Let me explain to you the shift that you need. This is how you can fix it. You need to budget with intention. Now here's the mindset shift. You need to pay yourself first. This means before bills, before subscriptions, allocate money for your future. This is how you can do this. Set a fixed amount for investment or savings every month. You can start off with £50 or less. You can create a line item for financial goals. This can be debt payoff, emergency funds, or even a side hustle. And then you can automate this so you don't have to feel the need to actually skip it. Here's the thing, when you're budgeting around bills, what you're doing is making everyone around you richer except you. This means your landlord, your bank, your utility provider, they're all getting richer except you because you're refusing to pay yourself money first. Let me give you a real life application. Let's say you earned £2,000 a month. I don't want you to wait to see what's left to save. Instead, this is what I want you to do. I want you to take 10% of that £2,000, which is £200, and save that first. Then you can build your spending plan around the rest, which is £1,800. And yes, this will feel tight at first, but eventually you'll start to gain momentum. Trust me when I say this, the longer you do this, the less broke you feel. Here's the thing, being broke is not all about income, it is about the direction. If you want to stop living paycheck after paycheck, stop budgeting to survive. What I want you to do is for you to start budgeting to build. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.